Hello for Japan, this is Ruka News Network. Today's guide is Kirby Café Reservation have changed. In this video, I'll show you what has changed, walk you through the new reservation process, including a demonstration of the phone verification step, and help you prepare your Kirby Café reservation. Let's begin the guide. In June 2026, Kirby Café announced change to its reservation process. Previously, no account was required. However, starting with reservation for August 2026, you'll need to create an account and make your reservations through My Page. First, let's see how to create an account. When you click the reservation button on the website, you'll see information about creating an account. Since the page is in Japanese, I'll show you the page translated into English in this video. When you click Register Account here, this screen will appear. Here, enter your surname and given name using Roman letters. Previously, you also had to enter your name in katakana, but this is no longer required. This is one of the major changes to the registration process. The phone number you enter here will need to be verified later. This is another major change. When you click the flag, you'll see a list of countries in alphabetical order along with their country codes. You can also use the search function to find and select your country. Once you enter your phone number, it will be displayed together with the appropriate country code. Once you've entered your email address, click Review Your Input. Check that all the information is correct, review the privacy policy, and then click Register. At this point, your registration is not yet complete. You'll need to complete the phone verification process next. This is the phone verification process. After you click Register, you'll receive an email. Click the link in the email, then call the phone number provided. Once your phone number has been successfully verified, you'll receive a confirmation email. In this video, I show you step 2 and 3 in more detail. When you click the link in the email, you'll see a screen like this. In this example, I register using a Japanese phone number. If you're calling from outside Japan, be sure to call the number shown here. In this example, I created the account on a PC and made a verification call for a mobile phone. Once your phone number is successfully verified, the screen will change like this. After confirming that you received the email, click Go to Login screen. First, enter the temporary password provided in the email. You'll then be asked to change the temporary password to a password of your own. Click OK, then set your new password. Once you've finished, click Reset. Your account registration is now complete. Reservations are now available through the booking site. Now, let's take a look at how to make a reservation after logging in. By clicking here, you can check availability without logging in. As you can see, reservations in Tokyo are still very competitive. To log in, enter the email address and password you used to create your account. Then select the cafe you'd like to visit. This is a reservation page. After reviewing the important information, you'll need to complete your reservation within 10 minutes. Select the number of people in your party. With the new reservation system, the maximum party size has changed for Kirby Café Osaka. Once you select the number of guests, the available dates will be displayed. If you see a circle on your preferred date, click it. For birthday celebration, select To Hope to use the Kirby Café birthday service. Click Reservation Confirm to complete your reservation. Once you create your account, the reservation process is now easier than before. Finally, let's take a look at when reservations open. Reservations open at 6 p.m. Japan time on the 10th of every month for the following months. Without taking daylight saving time into account, this is generally in the morning in Europe, from late night to early morning in the Americas, and in the evening in Asia and Oceania. So, if reservations open on a weekend, you can expect especially high demand. The reservation site can also get especially busy when reservations open, so I strongly recommend it at least creating your account in advance. I hope this video helps you successfully make your reservation. See you in the next video.